This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LCLC28 is a Class C RV. It is located in Attalla, Alabama, 35954 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Gadsden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a charcoal diamond interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Quantum LCLC28 is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.